客家风情。
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情每日一客语。
Hello everyone, welcome back to Daily Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 午後大家好，我係 Alice 彭。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling。
Joseph，有看到嗎？落雨過後，天當有乜嘅？
哦，彩虹是不是？下雨完啦，很想要去找那個彩虹。
tienɁ。
tien噚. Oh, let's teach you this. That's what a rainbow is, okay? tien噚. And especially after the rain, we oftentimes could see the rainbow. 下雨後常常可以看見彩虹。
落雨過後，
落雨過後，
從天會看到tien噚。
從天會看到tien噚。就是常常可以看到彩虹。Again, tien噚 is that rainbow, especially after the rain. Look, and there are 7 colors of the rainbow, right? We all know that. 彩虹有7種顏色。
tien낳有7種色。
tien낳有7種色。Okay, the 7 colors are 7種顏色是紅橙黃綠藍靛紫。來，
紅橙黃綠藍靛紫。
There you go. Let's review some of these terms, including the rainbow 彩虹。
tien낳。
And then rain 下雨。
落雨。
And then 7 colors 7種顏色。
7種色。
7種色。There you go. Next time you see a rainbow, you can speak it out loud in Hakka. That does it for today's Daily Hakka on ICRT.
什麼大家？
係張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.